Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to pay cash on Just Eat. First, open the Just Eat app or website and choose a restaurant. Add your items to the cart and proceed to checkout. On the final payment screen, look for the payment options. If the restaurant accepts cash, you'll see cash listed as an option for delivery or collection. Select cash, place your order, and pay the driver or restaurant when your food arrives. Keep in mind, not all restaurants accept cash, and this option only appears at the last step of checkout. And that's it. That's how to pay cash on Just Eat. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.